Throughout this anniversary video, you're going to find people who inspired me, who encouraged me, and who befriended me, all in the name of art. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And I'm going to be using my Sherwin-Williams Color to Go White House paint, and with that I'm going to be using some Willy Wagtail Black Boom Gel Stain. I'm going to be using Liquitex Soft Body Alzerian Crimson U Permanent, mixed in with some muted violet, and this is mixed with Infinity house paints and triple thick. I have this little Piggy Techno. I have this little Piggy Cinnamon. And then I have Pebeo Red Blue Iridescent mixed with Master's Touch Scarlet. And I'm gonna make a hot, hot, hot bloom today. So let's get with it. This is coming up. My first anniversary on YouTube. It is so exciting. Gonna have a great giveaway here. Using my, using my pottery wheel today. Okay, I think that looks pretty. Yeah, I'm liking that. Wow, let me know what you think in the comments below. Maybe I can give this one more little spin. Dry my hands off here. I think we might be able to give that one more spin. Give that Okay, I have a little time here, so I'm going to just give you a little recap. Please join me on Tuesday at 9 o'clock Pacific time. That would be noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to do a little live for my first year anniversary. So please be there. Help me celebrate. We're going to have I'm going to give you the information for the giveaway, and all the upcoming events. We have a lot of events coming up, collaborations, and some great things that are happening here. So please join me on Tuesday, September 28th, my first anniversary. Please don't leave. There's going to be one more bloom after this on a darker background. Okay. So, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm very happy with the outcome on this one. Okay, so this is part 2 of my video, and I just wanted to show you how my white pillow came up. If you can see these little spots, so that white pillow came up through my painting, and I figured this would be a learning. So that does happen sometimes, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint over this. And I'm going to use a darker base. So this is kind of like my very first video where I did a light base on my for my pillow, and then I did a dark base. And I'm going to use the same colors. And I'm going to link. I'll link above. At some points, I'll put a link to my very first video. And what I have here, this is called Anchors Away. And it's a beautiful blue. Bring that out to the edges a little bit. And let's use our colors. Let's go back to our colors again. And we'll start out with our Liquitex Soft Body, Alzerian Crimson Hue, and this was mixed with a Permanent Violet. We're using a copper, Hebio copper cell activator. Get enough on there. Enough on our sides. Okay. Let's get our blow dryer and give this a whirl. apologize that I didn't get the cell reaction that I thought I would on this. I do like the composition that I have. Oh, wow. I do like what I have, though. Wow. Yeah, I'm liking right here a lot. So, let's see what we can do here. If we can make this a happy this. And do that over there. Let's see, let's see. Put that into here. Oops. You know what? I love it. I love it just the way it is. And I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is. And I forgot to put my gloves out. I did take them out, but I didn't put them on. So, okay. I will take you in for a close-up here. I love the way this is. I love the way that came out. I'm loving every little inch of this. So please give me a thumbs up. 1 year in the making. I'm still loving doing all of this. I enjoyed all the friends that I've made along the way. I enjoyed each collaboration that I've done with each person. I've certainly had a lot of learning experiences, and I'm thanking each and every one of you. I'm thanking you below because it would take me so long to thank you here. So please look below. You're going to see a whole list of people that who have touched me and who I enjoy. Please visit their channels. Yeah, you would enjoy them also. Believe me, you would enjoy them. So thank you for coming today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye now. I also want to take this time to thank all my subscribers. If it was not for you and your encouragement and your comments and visiting me, I would not have ever gone this far. I would not have made over 275 videos, certainly. And I wouldn't have made the year. I would never have made a full year on YouTube without you. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and come back another day. Thank you all. I really appreciate each and every one of you.